St. Paul's Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral in London and is the seat of the Bishop of London. The cathedral serves as the mother church of the Diocese of London. It is on Ludgate Hill at the highest point of the City of London and is a Grade I listed building. Its dedication to Paul the Apostle dates back to the original church on this site, founded in AD 604. The present structure, dating from the late 17th century, was designed in the English Baroque style by Sir Christopher Wren. Its construction, completed in Wren's lifetime, was part of a major rebuilding program in the city after the Great Fire of London. The earlier Gothic cathedral, Old St. Paul's Cathedral, largely destroyed in the Great Fire, was a central focus for medieval and early modern London, including Paul's Walk and St. Paul's Churchyard, being the site of St. Paul's Cross. The cathedral is one of the most famous and recognizable sights of London. Its dome, surrounded by the spires of Wren's city churches, has dominated the skyline for over 300 years. A clock was installed in the southwest tower by Langley Bradley in 1709 but was worn out by the end of the 19th century. The present mechanism was built in 1893 by Smith of Derby, incorporating a design of escapement by Edmund Denison Beckett similar to that used by Edward Dent on Big Ben's mechanism in 1895. The clock mechanism is 19 feet, 5.8 meters, long and is the most recent of the clocks introduced to St. Paul's Cathedral over the centuries. Since 1969 the clock has been electrically wound with equipment designed and installed by Smith of Derby, relieving the clock custodian from the work of cranking up the heavy drive weights. St. Paul's Cathedral has a full professional choir, which sings regularly at services. The earliest records of the choir date from 1127. The present choir consists of up to 30 boy choristers, 8 probationers and the vicar's choral, 12 professional singers. St. Paul's Cathedral has been the subject of many photographs, most notably the iconic image of the dome surrounded by smoke during the Blitz. It has also been used in films and TV programs, including Thames Television's most recognized ident, either as the focus of the film, as in the episode of Climbing Great Buildings, as a feature of the film, as in Mary Poppins, or as an incidental location such as Wren's geometric staircase in the southwest tower, which has appeared in several films including Harry Potter and The Prisoner of Azkaban. The Millennium Bridge, officially known as the London Millennium Footbridge, is a steel suspension bridge for pedestrians crossing the River Thames in London, England, linking Bankside with the City of London. It is owned and maintained by Bridge House Estates, a charitable trust overseen by the City of London Corporation. Construction began in 1998, and it initially opened on June 10, 2000. Londoners nicknamed it the Wobbly Bridge after pedestrians experienced an alarming swaying motion on its opening day. The bridge was closed later that day and, after 2 days of limited access, it was closed again for almost 2 years so that modifications and repairs could be made to keep the bridge stable and stop the swaying motion. It reopened in February 2002.